In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to change a repository name in GitHub. This is useful when you want to rename a project or better organize your repositories. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look at the left panel where you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the repository that you want to rename. Once you're inside the repository, click on the Settings tab in the top toolbar. This is where you'll find the configuration options for your repository. In the Settings page, look for the repository name section. In the text field provided, replace the current repository name with your new desired name. Once you've entered the new name, click the Rename button to confirm the change. GitHub will process the request and update your repository name. Keep in mind that changing the repository name also changes its URL. GitHub generally redirects existing links, but you should still update any links or configurations that reference the old repository name. And that's it. You've successfully changed a repository name in GitHub. Thanks for watching.